So I'm going to try and fit this DTK intercooler with a few simple tools. That's what I'm going to try and do today. Here's a bit of a backstory to my car. It's an E55 AMG I've had since 2018, and after cheating with DTK, by the way, rest in peace brother, a tuning company from Europe, which I'd already got the DTK 650 kit, and he was very helpful in all things E55 AMG. He also recommended I should upgrade my intercooler with my current mods. I got the cooler and surprise, no fitting instructions. Also came with brass T-fitting and a straight piece of hose. To this day I still have no idea where these bits go. Enjoy my journey. Let's see if we can do this without screwing it up. Had to trim this piece from this bracket to clear the intercooler and the hoses. Very nice. Can we bend a straight piece of hose into a 90-degree bend? Let's see. No, not going to happen. So I've got all the hoses trial fitted and they seem to be alright. So let's move on from here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching, and see you next time.